अयुक्तः प्राकृतः स्तब्धः शठो अनैष्कृतिको अलसः विषादी दीर्घसूत्री च कर्ता तामस उच्यते.
The worker who is always engaged in work against the injunctions of the scripture, who is materialistic, obstinate, cheating and expert in insulting others, and who is lazy, always morose and procrastinating, is said to be a worker in the mode of ignorance.
बुद्धेर्भेदं धृतेश्चैव गुणतस्त्रिविधं शृणु प्रोच्यमानम् अशेषेण पृथक्त्वेन धनञ्जय.
O winner of wealth, now please listen as I tell you in detail of the different kinds of understanding and determination according to the three modes of material nature.
प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च कार्याकार्ये भयाभये बन्धं मोक्षं च या वेत्ति बुद्धिः सा पार्थ सात्विकी.
O son of Pritha, that understanding by which one knows what ought to be done and what ought not to be done, what is to be feared and what is not to be feared, what is binding and what is liberating, is in the mode of goodness.
यया धर्मं अधर्मं च कार्यं च अकार्यमेव च अयथावत् प्रजानाति बुद्धिः सा पार्थ राजसी.
O son of Pritha, that understanding which cannot distinguish between religion and irreligion, between action that should be done and action that should not be done, is in the mode of passion.
Adharmam dharmamitiya manyate tamasavrita sarvarthan viparitamscha buddhihi sa partha tamasi.
That understanding which considers irreligion to be religion and religion to be irreligion under the spell of illusion and darkness and strives always in the wrong direction, O Partha, is in the mode of ignorance.
Dhrityaya dharayate manah pranendriya kriyaha योगेना व्यभिचारिण्या धृतिः सा पार्थ सात्विकी.
O son of Pritha, that determination which is unbreakable, which is sustained with steadfastness by yoga practice, and which thus controls the activities of the mind, life and senses, is determination in the mode of goodness.
ययातु धर्म कामार्थान् धृत्या धारयतेऽर्जुन प्रसंगेन फलाकांक्षी धृतिः सा पार्थ राजसी.
But that determination by which one holds fast to fruitive results in religion, economic development and sense gratification is of the nature of passion, O Arjuna.
Yaya swapnam bhayam shokam vishadam madameva cha न विमुञ्चति दुर्मेधा धृतिः सा पार्थ तामसी.
And that determination which cannot go beyond dreaming, fearfulness, lamentation, moroseness and illusion, such unintelligent determination, O son of Pritha, is in the mode of darkness.
Sukham tvidanim trividham shrunu me bharatarshbha abhyasat ramate yatra dukkhantam cha nigacchati.
O best of the Bharatas, now please hear from me about the three kinds of happiness by which the conditioned soul enjoys and by which he sometimes comes to the end of all distress.
Yattadagre vishamiva pariname amrutopamam tatsukham satvikam proktam atma buddhi prasadajam.
That which in the beginning may be just like poison, but at the end is just like nectar, and which awakens one to self-realization, is said to be happiness in the mode of goodness.
Vishayendriya samyogat yattadagre amritopamam pariname vishamiva tatsukham rajasam smritam.
That happiness which is derived from contact of the senses with their objects and which appears like nectar at first but poison at the end is said to be of the nature of passion.
Yadagre janubandhe cha sukham moganam atmanaha nidralasya pramadotham tattamasamudagritam.
And that happiness which is blind to self-realization, which is delusion from beginning to end, and which arises from sleep, laziness and illusion, is said to be of the nature of ignorance.
Na tadasti prithivyaam va divi deveshu va punaha sattvam prakriti jair muktam yadebhihi syat tribhir gunaihi.
There is no being existing either here or among the demigods in the higher planetary systems which is freed from these three modes born of material nature.
Brahmana kshatriya visham shudranam tya parantapa karmani pravibhaktani swabhava prabhavair gunaihi.
Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras are distinguished by the qualities born of their own natures in accordance with the material modes, O chastiser of the enemy.